Welcome to 3dsense Media School. For over 20 years.
Here's what I think we can make it a little bit more fun and exciting.
Oh hey, welcome to 3dsense Media School. Think of us as a school with the wisdom of an industry veteran because that's exactly what we are. And for over 20 years, we've been shaping creative minds, turning passion into career. At 3dsense, we believe that education is the key to employment, and that's why we work closely with the industry to ensure that our curriculum remains practical, relevant, and always one step ahead. And the results, they speak for themselves. For over a decade, The Rookies has ranked us among the world's top 10 digital art schools. But this isn't just about us, it's about our students. It's our students' passion and hard work that makes 3dsense stand out. From the National Youth Film Festival Awards to the Senior Rossi Awards in Italy, our students have won major accolades. These aren't just trophies, they are the proof of the industry-level talent we nurture here. Our alumni redefine what's possible. They are the true ambassadors of our philosophy, elevating 3dsense to new heights. Many have gone on to work with major studios, shaping the industry and strengthening our reputation. At 3dsense, we don't just train you in artistic skills, we prepare you for the real world. Portfolio building is key, but talent alone isn't enough. You need to work efficiently, meet tight deadlines, and thrive under pressure. That's why our curriculum is so intense. We've compressed the traditional 3-year program to just one, immersing you in industry-level training. More assignments, tighter deadlines, constant feedback. Expect long hours, sometimes even up to 11 p.m. Because progress comes with practice, when you leave 3dsense, you can expect more than just a strong portfolio. You have the right mindset and skills to succeed. Step into 3dsense and you step into the industry. Our classrooms aren't just classrooms, they're studios. Each student gets their own personal workstation, no sharing, no compromises. With full access, you control your own creative hours. Stay late, come in early, create without limits. We've designed our space to mirror that of the professional world because that's where you're headed. At 3dsense, you're not just learning, you're preparing for what's next. At 3dsense, learning doesn't stop in the classroom. Every month, we invite industry professionals, from AAA game developers to independent artists to major studio veterans, down to our school to conduct talks, workshops, and masterclasses. You won't just learn, you'll present. Internal reviews prepare you to confidently showcase your works to your peers, mentors, and our principal. As graduation nears, you'll take things further and present your portfolio to real studios during industry reviews. It's a chance to get expert feedback and maybe even your first big break. Communication is the key to success. Our Discord server keeps students and teachers connected for collaboration, review, and support even after you graduate. Thank you for considering 3dsense Media School. We're excited to be part of your creative journey. Reach out today and let's create something extraordinary together.
Tham dự ngay workshop đánh giá portfolio và trình diễn game art cùng 3dsense Media School và Hằng Lương tại thành phố Hồ Chí Minh ngày 14 tháng 4 này. Liên hệ ngay hotline 0932 233 521 hoặc quét mã QR để đăng ký ngay hôm nay. Số lượng đăng ký có giới hạn. Hẹn gặp các bạn tại workshop nhé.